you okay? Let me see your legs. You got a broken wing? You okay? So we're just at Cheticamp Beach, and we were walking the beach, and we found a bird that was hurt on the shore. So I called Hope for Wildlife, and they suggested that we put the bird, it's a gannet, so we're gonna get a towel. She said to put the bird in the water because apparently they don't do well on sand and beach. So we're gonna kind of rescue him, I guess. She said to put him in the water and just wait 5 minutes, and hopefully he'll get his bearings and everything back. So yes, the poor little thing, we didn't know who to call. We called the fisheries department, they couldn't help us, and we called the lands and forests, but I couldn't get a hold of anybody, so I dialed the emergency number for Hope for Wildlife, even though they're in Halifax area. Here we are in Cape Breton. We don't have anybody like that I know of. So anyway, we're gonna go and rescue this little beautiful little bird. So what do you think about this rescue here gonna happen? You think it's awesome?
I think it's awesome.
Let's hope it works.
Where's he at? Hope so. What?
Here he is, he's all tucked up. I thought he was, when I walked up, I thought he was like a buoy from the boats. But then I realized he was breathing. And then we seen his webbed feet, and yeah, he's not moving anywhere. So Bobby's gonna put a towel around the poor little fella. Let's get him attention first so he knows where he's at. Oh, okay, put your head out, buddy. Here you go. We're gonna take him down to the shore. It's all right. There you go. There! Oh, there he goes. Oh, don't go back in the shore. Get your bearings. Get your bearings. Oh. Oh, there he goes. Yeah. Swim out there, boy. There you go. You got it. Woo-hoo! You got it. You got her, buddy. Oh. You! Woo! Yeah. You're rocking her, buddy. Whoa! Woo!
You just saved for blood?
So what did you think of that?
I
I feel like he's just disoriented. Oh,
He
no!
started drowning.
He's got to get, she said 5 minutes, and she said they'll get their bearings and
The girl that was just here?
no, the girl that I talked to on the phone, the lady from Hope for Wildlife, where they save animals. doing there? What?
He's not big enough.
No. Just gently put him in. He might have a broken leg. Okay, buddy, go in. That way. Woo. Okay. Yeah, so we tried to rescue the little fella.
Gannet?
Gannet, she said it was, yeah. And we put him out 3 or 4 times.
3 times, I think.
And he was doing so well the first time. We thought he was going to go. But then he kept on coming back into shore, coming back in. So
he didn't have the strength
yeah, so we
to
just
survive.
put him back in his little spot on the sand and close to the shore, the water. And hopefully if he gets enough strength, he'll be able to get
to
there.
make it out on his own, but
Yeah.
I think he was too exhausted.
Yeah, so God love the poor little thing, but
Anyway.
we tried our best.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so did what we could.
Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little update on the bird that we found on the beach. I got a call soon after that they were, Hope for Wildlife was sending a volunteer down to have a look to see if they could get the bird. So she texted me throughout the trip that she made, texted me when she found them, and gave me an intake number to check on the bird at Hope for Wildlife. So anyway, let's hope for the best that the bird is okay, and I'm glad that somebody came down and got him. So anyway, pray for the bird. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and share to your friends. Thank you.